Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Sprint in ClickUp. Now, before we proceed, if you don't know about Sprint, Sprint is a short fixed period of time where a team focuses on completing a set amount of work. It usually lasts 1 to 2 weeks. In simple words, a sprint is a work cycle where you plan tasks, do the work, review the results. Why sprints are useful? Because they keep work structured. They help teams stay focused, make progress easy to measure, improve productivity, show what was completed every week or two. Now, for example, from Monday to Sunday, our goal is to complete 20 tasks. That 1 week period is our sprint. Now, let's get to the video. In order to enable sprint, just click on your profile icon on top left corner. Here, click on apps. Go to the search bar and here type sprint. Alright, click on this, not sprint point, sprint, and enable this option. You can also check here where you want the sprint option to be enabled. So I'm going with all the spaces. Now go on your space, click on this plus icon, and here click on sprint folder. Alright, now give your sprint a name. I'm going to give it 1 week sprint. Alright, measure of effort. I'm going with time estimates Tuesday, and duration 1 week. Alright, now click on next, create. Okay, now as you can see, you can add tasks by going over here on top right corner. Just give any task name. Okay, now click on create task. Now what you can do with this task, you can add assignee by putting their email over here. For example, if you want this task to be completed by your team member, just click on this assignee option and put their email over here. Alright, you can also set due date. I'm going to set it as Monday. Now you can change priority from urgent to high, normal, low. I'm going with urgent. Now the team member can also estimate the task time by clicking over here and type the time like 1 hour, as you can see. Now there are many things inside the task. Just click on it. As you can see, you can add description. You can take the help of AI. Also, you can add subtasks like this one. For example, I want my team member to create ClickUp videos. Now, I also want them to create 10 ClickUp videos. And I will add the topics over here, like, okay, how to create a sprint in ClickUp. Okay, you can also add checklist here, like ClickUp videos, and okay, 10, 20, 30. They can also just check it like this. As you can see, the progress bar is increasing. Okay, now if you want to add any attachment like Google Docs or any file or PDF, just click on this upload. Also, you can just go over here on this plus icon and paste the link over here, like any Drive link, Google Docs, or Canva, YouTube, or ClickUp. Alright, now let's get to the board. You already know this, just drag and drop this like this one. Okay, now here you can see all the report, like how many tasks are there in the sprint, how many are completed and how many are not completed. Okay, if you want to add something else, like Google Docs, Google Sheets, calendar, YouTube videos, or a table. You can just click over here on view and just click on any one of these. I'm going with whiteboard, and just wait a second. As you can see, I can use whiteboard like this one. Now if you want a full tutorial on ClickUp, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a 1 hour long tutorial on ClickUp. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching.